Our human tendency for upward comparisons is a well-documented psychological phenomenon. We're wired to seek out cues about our social standing and measure ourselves against those we perceive as better off. However, in today's social media-driven world, this instinct becomes a dangerous trap. Social media platforms are not windows into real life. They're meticulously curated highlight reels. The person you see jetting off to exotic locations might be drowning in credit card debt. The friend with the seemingly perfect life might be neglecting their health or sacrificing precious time with loved ones. We're comparing our behind-the-scenes reality to someone else's carefully crafted illusion. This skewed comparison fuels envy and a crippling sense of inadequacy. Instead of falling prey to the envy trap, a powerful shift can occur by focusing on downward comparisons. But here's a crucial caveat: avoid judgment. Instead of looking down at those who seem less fortunate, seek inspiration from those who are actively working towards their financial goals. Look for people who are investing in themselves. Are they taking courses, learning new skills, or pursuing personal growth opportunities? Are they building a life they love? Do they prioritize experiences over material possessions? Are they creating a lifestyle that aligns with their values? Are they making conscious financial decisions? Are they budgeting thoughtfully, paying down debt, or saving for the future? By observing and learning from individuals who are intentionally building their financial well-being, you can find a source of genuine motivation. This isn't about feeling superior. It's about identifying achievable goals and strategies that resonate with you. Seeing others on their financial journeys can spark inspiration and provide a roadmap for your own path towards financial freedom. Remember, the goal isn't to replicate someone else's life. It's to discover your own definition of success. By focusing on individuals who prioritize purpose-driven living and responsible financial choices, you'll cultivate a sense of inspiration that empowers you. Feeling lost in the world of finances isn't uncommon. Without a clear direction, it's easy to be swept away by societal pressures, impulsive spending, and a growing sense of inadequacy. The key to unlocking financial well-being lies in discovering your financial compass. Imagine finances not as a rigid set of rules, but as a personalized roadmap leading to a life you love. The first step on this journey is unveiling your financial identity. Ask yourself profound questions to guide you. What are my core values? What brings me true joy? What kind of legacy do I want to leave? By understanding your fundamental values, you can begin to align your financial decisions with your deepest desires. Do you crave adventure and exploration? Perhaps budgeting for travel experiences takes precedence over the latest gadgets. Does financial security bring you peace of mind? Then, prioritizing debt reduction and building a robust emergency fund becomes a key focus. A one-size-fits-all financial plan is a recipe for frustration. Instead, create a personalized roadmap that reflects your unique values and goals. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can optimize your spending. Develop a strategy to pay down debt and avoid unnecessary borrowing. Start saving for your short-term and long-term goals, whether it's a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or a secure retirement. Every financial decision you make is an opportunity to live your values. Saying no to an impulsive purchase and choosing to invest in your future self aligns with the value of financial security. Prioritizing experiences over material possessions reflects a value of living life to the fullest. Financial planning isn't just about numbers. It's about consciously directing your resources towards a life that is meaningful and fulfilling. By embarking on this journey of self-discovery and crafting a personalized financial plan, you'll transform feelings of being lost. Your finances will no longer be a source of anxiety, but a powerful tool that helps you achieve your dreams and live a life that aligns with your deepest values. Envy, that green-eyed monster, can be a powerful inhibitor on our financial journeys. When we see others seemingly living the life we desire, it's easy to fall prey to feelings of inadequacy and resentment. However, by transforming envy into curiosity, we unlock a potent source of growth and empowerment. Envy fosters a sense of bitterness and discouragement. It hinders our ability to focus on our own goals and strategies. When we're consumed by envy, we're less likely to take action, innovate, or celebrate our own progress. It's like staring at a closed door, stewing in frustration, instead of seeking the key. Curiosity, on the other hand, is a catalyst for positive change. Instead of asking the limiting question, why does this person make more money? We shift our focus to the empowering question, how are they achieving this? This simple shift transforms envy into a springboard for learning and growth. By approaching those who seem successful with genuine curiosity, we open ourselves up to a wealth of knowledge and inspiration. By observing the habits and choices of financially successful individuals, you might discover valuable strategies that can be adapted to your own context. While financial journeys are unique, there are often underlying principles shared by successful individuals. Look for patterns in their approach: a focus on delayed gratification, a dedication to continuous learning, or a commitment to building multiple income streams. Curiosity fosters a growth mindset. By learning from others, you can spark new ideas and develop creative solutions for your own financial challenges. Perhaps you can adapt someone's budgeting strategy or find inspiration for a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests. The key isn't to blindly copy someone else's path. It's to adapt their strategies to your unique circumstances and goals. By approaching success stories with curiosity, you can glean valuable insights and transform envy into a powerful tool for financial empowerment. Remember, everyone's journey is different. Embrace curiosity as your guide and watch as it fuels your progress, propels you forward, and empowers you to create your own definition of financial success. Social media and curated online portrayals often paint a skewed picture of success. We see the CEOs with their lavish cars, the influencers on exotic vacations, and it's easy to fall into the trade-off trap. We believe that achieving financial success necessitates sacrificing personal well-being, relationships, and genuine happiness. The reality is, what we see online is often a carefully constructed facade. The CEO with the luxurious lifestyle might be working 80-hour weeks, neglecting their family, and sacrificing their health for professional advancement. The influencer on a seemingly endless vacation might be drowning in debt. Every path to success comes with hidden costs. This isn't to diminish the achievements of others. It's simply to acknowledge the wholeness of the human experience. Financial success often comes at the price of time, relationships, health, and authenticity. Instead of falling prey to the trade-off trap, focus on your own path to financial well-being. Ask yourself, what truly matters to me? What sacrifices am I willing to make? What kind of life do I want to build? Financial success is just one piece of the puzzle. True fulfillment comes from achieving a balance across all aspects of your life. This includes financial security, strong relationships, physical and mental well-being, and personal growth. Financial success shouldn't be a zero-sum game. Redefine success for yourself, focusing on creating a life that is meaningful, fulfilling, and allows you to thrive in all aspects. Recognize the hidden costs and prioritize holistic well-being. By recognizing the hidden costs of success and prioritizing holistic well-being, you'll be empowered to navigate your own financial journey with greater clarity and purpose. Embrace your unique path and create a life that aligns with your deepest values.